Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we will use ShellGPT for password cracking. To begin, open ShellGPT and type small sgpt --chat scan --shell, then type the following prompt in double quotes. Use random credentials on http://testphp.vulnweb.com/login.php and crack the password. This command instructs ShellGPT to generate a command that attempts to crack passwords on the specified login page using random credentials. Then click Enter. ShellGPT will generate a command utilizing Hydra, a powerful password cracking tool, to perform the task. When prompted, type capital E to execute the command, then press Enter. This action confirms the execution of the generated command in your terminal. You will notice a warning message stating, "Please do not use it in military or secret service organizations or for illegal purposes." This is an important reminder. ShellGPT must never be used to attempt unauthorized access or test credentials on random websites. Doing so is unethical, potentially illegal, and can cause serious harm to systems and organizations. So, now let's test known credentials in a controlled environment. We'll start with the command small sgpt --chat scan --shell, then enter following prompt in double quotes. Use credentials on http://testphp.vulnweb.com/login.php, where username equals test, password equals test, and insert a period. Then type the prompt within double quotes until did we get the user info.php page. In this simulation, we're testing credentials in a safe, controlled environment, a test server where both the username and password are set to test. Press Enter again. As you can see, the response confirms that test is a valid credential. This is achieved using a curl command to send an API request. ShellGPT automatically generates this curl command for you. When prompted, type capital E to execute the command, then press Enter. You'll be redirected to the user info page, which confirms that the login credentials test were accepted successfully. This shows that the username and password combination test is confirmed to be valid for the test website, testphp.vulnweb.com. While ShellGPT is a powerful automation tool, it's important to remember, when performing password cracking, always manually verify the results. Automation can occasionally lead to false positives, so it's crucial to double-check the output to ensure accuracy and avoid any misinterpretation. And that concludes how you can use ShellGPT for password testing within a controlled and ethical environment.